In a bid to uphold their ancestral customs, the Dorbar Ride of Ride Marngar orchestrated the traditional Ride Marngar fishing festival at Mawthlen fishing pond. Thousands of residents from Ride Marngar, falling under Hima Malem's aimship, enthusiastically participated in fish-catching activities utilizing the indigenous Jakkoi fishing net. Richards Aim, the traditional head of Ride Marngar, underscored the festival's significance, emphasizing its annual occurrence wherein prayers are offered for divine blessings upon farmers before the sowing season.
Banya perkhat, banya mirjing mut nakabenta kabanle niam kabehula. Kata kalong hadin balaya syem ya karai katkum kariti kadustur. Ini na kadorbar Ride Marngar ni hablat siapa. Kadorwar hima banlay pan ni kajingbet na usim kahimam.